Assalamualaikum to Dr. Noraini. Our group will present about our project in 3D table lamp. This is our member. Our project video content is introduction, flowchart and process, health and safety factor, and conclusions. For our group project, we as the manufacturing team of a company has been assigned to design and manufacture a table lamp. The main objective is to design a table lamp that is attractive, functional, and that can be manufactured while minimizing the total manufacturing time and cost. We are decided to produce 3D table lamp for their company. For this project, we use suitable material and process to produce 3D table lamp.
Flowchart and process. This process, we are using 8 process. First, we are using the gate ingredient, technical drawing, casting, extrusion, compression molding, soldering, acrylic adhesive and finishing. For the gate ingredient, we are using bowl, aluminium and polymer, electric small motor and switch on off. For the technical drawing, we are using the AutoCAD. For casting, we are using aluminium for the base of the table lamp. And for the extrusion, we are using the thermoplastic for body table lamp.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Atika binti Zulkifli. I will continue for the flowchart and process presentation. For the stage 5, we use compression molding to make a shape for the top of our lamp using thermoplastic. Compression molding is the process of molding in which a preheated polymer is placed into an open, heated mold cavity. The mold is then closed with a top plug and compressed in order to have the material contact all areas of the mold. Next, for the stage 6, we use soldering process to joining our electric part for the lamp. Soldering is a joining process used to join different types of metal together by melting solder. For the stage 7 is acrylic adhesive. We use acrylic adhesive process to combine a wool part for our lamp. This is because they are extremely strong and efficient in bonding multiple objects together and very environmental resistant. Lastly, for the flowchart and process for our lamp project is finishing process. Finishing process will be used to improve our lamp appearance, which is double check like adhesive and wet ability, soldering, corrosion resistant, hardness, modify, conductivity, remove burn, and other surface flaws, and also control the surface friction.
I would like to present about health and safety factor. First, standard equipment. During the process of making table lamp, it is mandatory to wear personal protective device (PPE) such as gloves and shoes, ear coverage, hard hat, breathing device, and complete body clothing. Second, workplace safety. The area of table lamp manufacturing process must be neat and well arranged. Workplace areas are often messy or not well arranged, can cause accident. Third, training. Periodic training is given to workers for workers' care in using machine. Otherwise, given training will result in misuse of tool or lack of expertise can cause serious accident. Next, management system. Providing and maintain a safe working system and without health risks. Regulation must be met to ensure the safety and extent of right to health in connection with the use or handling application, storage, and transportation and material. Last, risk assessment. Effective risk assessment can help know the danger found in workplace and provide explanation on the maintenance and repair of necessary equipment. That's all for me. Thank you.
For the end of our group project, I can conclude that LED lamp have a lifespan many times longer than equivalent instant lamp and are significantly more efficient than most fluorescent lamps with some manufacturer. Also, we should know that the area of the table lamp manufacturing process must be neat and well arranged. Lastly, the team also need to check the condition of the workplace area and observe worker doing the table lamp manufacturing process so as not to commit offence that cause these accidents. All our presentation. Thank you to Dr. Noraini for being our lecturer for this subject.